Hi, it's Cody. Welcome to my mom's channel. Today we're going to be doing 3 face painting looks for Halloween. We got this face painting kit off of Amazon, and we're going to use this to do all 3 looks. I think I know what I want to be.
Okay.
She's right? Yeah.
Okay, so you want to be a butterfly.
Yes.
Are we supposed to use water?
Guys, we were supposed to add water and we didn't know. So I guess that's what you get when you don't look at instructions.
Okay, so now we're working on attempt number 2.
Number 2.
And we got a better paintbrush. Alright, so like I said, we're going to do 3 looks. And then you're going to choose which one you actually want to wear for Halloween, okay? So go ahead and look at it.
And it's even glittery. I love it. Give me. Yeah.
What do you think?
Awesome.
Do you think this will be your favorite, or do you think...
I don't know. Let's keep on going. Next, the second thing, we're doing a rainbow unicorn.
you can look.
3, 2, 1. I honestly do not think that will come out that good.
What do you think?
It's awesome. I want it. What about the next? What is the next I want to be?
Which one is your favorite so far? Is it the...
This one.
So you like the rainbow unicorn more than you like the... Butterfly. Okay.
Can we go with it?
For Halloween?
Yeah.
You want to see the next one first and then we'll pick? You don't need to see the next one? You don't need to see the next one in order to make a decision about your Halloween.
What is the next one? Surprise.
The next one, they have to wait and see. They have to keep watching to see what the next one is. So we're going to wipe this off and we'll be right back.
Hi guys, it's me, Cody. I'm back. And we're doing a unicorn. Isn't that awesome? So I'm going to have the horn, the ears, everything. It's going to be so cute. So keep watching till the end. better.
What is your opinion about it? What do you think about it?
No, I don't like it at all.
I'm going to take it off and we'll be right back with the fresh face to do one more that actually turns out good. So we got the paint off her face and now we're going to do one more, but I'm going to surprise her. She doesn't know what I'm going to do and I think she lost some faith in me. She doesn't trust me anymore. She doesn't trust me anymore, but I'm still going to do it and I'm going to wow her. So just watch.
Why?
So what do you think?
Second favorite. I'm gonna do this next year.
Do you think we should do it without the mermaid tail, or do you think we should do it with the mermaid tail?
With.
You like the mermaid tail?
The tail should have been like right here, going like straight down to my neck.
Okay, well that's something to think about for next time, and other people can maybe put the tail somewhere else. But I think I did pretty good to do it off the top of my head without any instruction.
Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you want to see more of the face painting kit, just keep watching and we'll show you more about it. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. Have a good day. Cody signing out.
Okay, so this is the kit that we got. We ordered it off of Amazon. It was $19.99 and it comes with all these colors of face paint, as well as those two makeup sponges and 2 brushes. And then there's these other 2 things, the green and the orange. I'm not quite sure what those are for. And then it also comes with 2 things of glitter. One is gold and one is silver, but the silver one was open, so the glitter just kind of burst all over the inside of the box. And it also got on a lot of the paint. I do kind of feel like the kit was misleading because it said that you would get 60 big stencils, and as you can see, the stencils are actually very small. I don't know why they're advertising it as having big stencils, but Cody's only 6, and you can see that it only took up a small portion of her face. I was thinking that you were going to get stencils big enough to kind of like cover the face, as opposed to having to draw a butterfly. I thought I would get a stencil big enough to create the butterfly for me. So I didn't like that. It did have a few different options as far as what you could do with it, to give you some ideas on how to paint your kids' faces. So I like that. I thought that was cute. But all in all, I think that it's a good set for $20. You can definitely do a lot of face painting with this kit. And overall, I would recommend it. So yeah, of course it's going to be linked below if you want to check it out. And other than that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.